So guys, welcome to this online class. So today we're going to be creating a product video, a simple product video in case if you want to create a commercial video for a brand. So I'm going to be showing you how I used to create mine because I don't have much equipment like these rotating stuffs and all of that, and some of fruits. So new content creator, you just have to manage with what you have with your head. So I'm gonna be combining AI. I'm gonna be showing you how I use CapCut AI to turn this product to this, and and from this to this. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channels anyway. So let's dive into the video. First of all, you have to take a screenshot, a a picture of this. So we're gonna be going to it. You're gonna be taking it step by step. Understand? Let's go. So the first thing I did was to take a pictures of the product, just like this. You just take a picture of any product, then go to ChatGPT, and yeah, I pasted the pictures on ChatGPT and I asked it to create me an astounding product videos script, and this is what ChatGPT gave me. So you can scroll down and see what I actually did, and I asked it to generate me a picture of it. So here is how it turns the picture to. Once this is done, you just tap on the image and download it into your phone. So the next thing you have to do now is to go over to CapCut. Once you go to CapCut, you will scroll down, you see these all tools. Click on all tools, then you will see AI media, AI video, AI effects. Just click on AI video. Once you click on it, it will bring this interface. Click on this plus button and import the picture of your product like this. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy your prompt just like this. Go back to ChatGPT and copy these prompts, and I'm gonna be dropping these prompts on the description below though for you to try it out. So, and you just paste it here. The thing is that you're gonna be scrolling through this prompt and remove anything like a sticker, because if you leave stickers on your prompt, this CapCut will not generate it. To keep getting error like this type of sticker. They don't like sticker. Just go ahead and delete it, then make some of adjustments on this prompt. For me, I'm gonna be removing this 15 to 30 seconds duration, because sometimes this AI used to mad. So if you don't edit your prompt very well, it will not give you exactly what you want. So go ahead and delete them, and also delete the duration 9. This video format, I deleted it because if I don't want it to be like 9 by 16 because of the CapCut logo, so I can be able to remove it at the end. Once you are done like this, just go through it to know if there is anywhere an error is. Once you find out that your script and your video is good, then go to this tap on this 5 seconds, then scroll down. You will see 10 seconds, 15 seconds. I used to choose 15 seconds so that it will make the video much longer. Then I choose 3.4. I don't choose 9.16 because of the logo that will come out on this video later on. So I choose 3.4. then I'll leave my resolution to 480p. Then the next thing I will do is to hit on generate. Give it some time and it will be generating. I generated before. I made a mistake and generated this video before, but I did not change the background, and yeah, the duration was 6 seconds. That's why I'm regenerating it again. So this was the first one I generated, but I found out that the background wasn't good, so I had to regenerate it again to this one. And mind you, it has a sound on in the prompt. I added that there will be a sound on the video. So let's play the video to know what it generated. Once you are done, go ahead and download it. Then go back to CapCut interface and import your video again, because this time we're gonna be doing a finishing touches. So I'm gonna be importing the two video that I generated, the first one and the second one, just like this. So I'm gonna be clicking on this first one. There are some certain parts that I don't like. You need to understand what you like and what you don't like in any video you're making, so that it will look so outstanding. So I'm going to be cutting and trimming some of those parts that I don't like I don't want this my previous background to show, so I'm going to be cutting this video right from here. But firstly, let's remove this CapCut AI CapCut logo here. So I'm going to be tapping on the video and resizing it into 9:16. Just scroll down, you will see ratio. Click on aspect ratio, then click on 9:60 to look like it, then resize it. Once you resize it, it will look like this, and the AI logo won't be there. You see how I did it? That's why I did not choose that 16:9 when generating the video. So after doing that, I'll watch the video again. I'll repeat it in the second one also, then I'll go ahead and edit some of this video by adding effects and also trimming and cutting this particular video. So I'm gonna be splitting this video right here. Then I'll look for this particular place. I want to rewind it, like reverse, coming forth and reversing it. So I'll cut it from here, then go to duplicate and duplicate it. Then I'll scroll down to reverse. I will tap on reverse and allow it to generate. Once that is done, you will get something like this. A reverse effect will appear just like this. You just go in and reversing just like this. See how I did it? So the next thing I'm gonna be doing is delete any parts that I don't want, like delete this particular place. I don't like it. Then I will place each one exactly where I want it to play, just the way I did on this video. After that, you play your video to know if you did the right thing. The next thing I'm going to be adding a little bit of effect. I'm going to go to tap on this white line and choose any transition that I want it to play, just like this. I think this will be good, and once you play it, it will look something like this. Once you are done, go ahead and add your music. I don't like the first music that was in this video. Let's just add a new music. Go back to audio, click on sound and choose I'm gonna be tapping on marketing. Then I will choose this first sound. I will click on plus button and add it to my video. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is to reduce the volume of this sound a little bit, so that because I don't want to remove the first sound, I just want it to play on it, and that is how. Then go ahead and export your videos, and you